Kung Strava runner ka, make sure to add these to your collections. Same, but different. Kasi isa dito, game changer para sa runners. Hi, this is Lex, sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. So today, we have here the 2 Cloud 6 at tingnan natin kung alin dito yung game changer. Tara, unbox na natin. First, what we have here is the Cloud 6 in white colorway. Men's and women's available din to. So this is very comfy, clean, and walang laces na kailangan itie. Pero if you want to tie, meron dito extra laces. And kung mapapansin nyo dito yung aglet, put me on nakalagay. So for this pair, this is very lightweight kasi mesh material lang ang gamit niya. Unlike this pair, the game changer Cloud 6 waterproof. Tara, unbox na natin. So here's the game changer Cloud 6 waterproof in black colorway. Men's and women's sizing available. And meron siyang pull tab dito. Still, meron pa ring laces na pwedeng hindi mo na itie. Pero if you want, meron pa ring extra laces here na babagay dito. For this pair, may kabigatan lang siya ng konti compared sa regular Cloud 6 kasi waterproof na siya. So meron ditong material na kapag nabasa to, mag-i-slide lang to. Kaya wala ka ng reason hindi tumakbo pag maulan. Comparison of these two pairs, dito sa Cloud 6 regular, yung back tab niya, and then yung Cloud 6 waterproof, yung back tab niya. For the waterproof, meron lang siyang pull tab, and then dito, wala. Cloud 6, pwede siya pang indoor use, pag magmamall ka lang, daily errands. Pero kung tumatakbo ka sa outdoor, pwede itong waterproof kasi kahit umulan, hindi ka na mag-worry na mabasa yung medyas mo.
Wow.
So, alin mas bagay sa'yo? The Cloud 6 or the Cloud 6 waterproof? Let me know sa comment section down below.